How to fix torque converter problems. Certain faults in the car can actually be detected and fixed without visiting a car technician/mechanic. Although, it may require some wealth of experience. One of the very and most common faults in a car is the car torque converter issue. It is quite common and the cause sometimes cannot be traced easily. While driving, all of a sudden you heard a strange noise, and then you notice the movement of the car slowing down. Well, there is every possibility is a torque problem. Before we dive in, please quickly click on the subscribe button, like, and share. Symptoms of a bad torque converter. 1. Strange noise while driving. When you notice some whining kind of sound and it keeps reoccurring, this can be a torque problem. For you to replace or fix it depends on how badly it is damaged. 2. Shuddering. This can be described as vibrations or jerking of the car while driving. The experience can be annoying. Such vibrations can cause serious trouble for the torque converter. 3. Slipping of fluid into the transmission. This is one of the obvious reasons that it is a torque problem. Slipping of fluids into the transmission is a result that it is not able to handle fluids properly. 4. Overheating. You can notice that your car is overheating from the temperature gauge. When your car is overheating, it can cause the car not to run smoothly too. You should fix this as soon as possible. It could be that the fluids has decreased to the barest minimum, resulting to the hotness. Additional signs of a bad torque converter. On some occasions, you might not experience any of the above symptoms listed to show your converter is bad, but below are some other signs that might indicate that your converter has a problem. 1. Car gears in the transmission slips. 2. Your car doesn't accelerate properly. 3. Your car doesn't shift gears easily. 4. Your transmission surges or lags. 5. Your car shudders. How to test for torque problems. The best way to test your torque and ensure it is in good condition is to use the right fluids for your car. Then, this aspect might require you meet with a service technician to run a proper test/diagnosis on the car. How to detect/diagnose torque converter problems. Sometimes, the problem might not be the transmission but would have you replace your torque converter completely. Here are the other steps to take. 1. Start the car and allow it run for a few minutes while you switch to the next step. 2. Press the gas lightly for a few minutes. 3. Move to the brake, put the car into drive. 4. Try to engage the gears. 5. Then drive. While driving, try to see if you hear any strange noise. Try to listen attentively to check if the sound is still there or has gone off. How to fix torque converter problems. First, ensure it is not a transmission fault. Once the fault has been diagnosed, then try any of these methods. Damaged needle bearings. One of the problems is when there is a damaged needle bearing. The needle bearing helps the metal stator, impeller and turbine so that it can turn freely. Damaged torque converter clutches. A damaged torque converter clutch should be replaced. Necessary treatment needed. 1. If your current transmission is faulty, please replace it. 2. Use the recommended fluids for your car and use it adequately. 3. If your transmission fluid is dirty, drain the fluid and replace it. The cost of replacing your torque converter is highly dependent on whether you are replacing it yourself or you will hire a mechanic or go to a car repair shop. If you are hiring a mechanic, you should be budgeting anything around the $150 to $500. And if you are hiring a mechanic or if you are taking the car to a repair shop, then you should be estimating about $500 to $1,000 for the torque converter replacement. I hope this video has helped you see how to solve torque converter problems. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Bye.